Welcome everyone. Today's video, we're just gonna have a catch up, right? We're gonna have a little bit of a chat. I've done a gardening stroke shopping vlog every day now since the 1st of January. And I just thought I'm gonna change the pace of it. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna have a little bit of a chat about the garden, about the weather, a little bit of more of a personal dive with me, I think. As I feel like at this moment in time it's needed. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I'm right in the middle of my week off and it's been amazing. I've had pottering days in my garden, which I never get, right? So I never get the opportunity to sort of just tidy the greenhouse or just do those little bitty jobs that I can never seem to get round to doing. I mean, it's been a beautiful day. We've had a lovely few days all week. I'm currently in my painting clothes as I've finally painted the fence over the other side of the garden. There's only 2 panels to do and I don't know what it was about it. I don't know why I couldn't just do it, if that makes sense. It was only 2 panels and for the life of me, I wasn't making time to do that. And I managed to do that this week. So in amongst sorting the greenhouse, getting some painting done and pottering, I placed plants out where I want them. I potted certain things up. It's been brilliant, to say the least. It's my mother's birthday just gone and we've just spent the day doing some plant shopping, which was really lovely. So if you're watching, Mother, happy birthday. I hope you've had a nice day with us. Like I said, we've been plant shopping, and of course it wasn't just my mum who come away with some plants. I've also purchased a few lovely bits. I've actually picked up a hardy hibiscus, not from B&M but from a local garden centre, reasonably priced, and it's a beaut. So I can't wait to show you guys that. So yeah, just a bit of reflection really. So vlogging every day, and I really love it. Really love it. And it's been, it hasn't been hard. I think it's been harder on probably my wife really, because I get home from work, I'll do a quick video or whatever. And for me, I look forward to it every day. I look forward to picking up the camera. Daily vlogging has been something that I wanted to do for about 10 years now. I wanted to create something and get myself on YouTube. Love gardening, so for me it went hand in hand. But daily vlogging was really inspired by my wife, and she introduced me to a guy called Adam the Woo, who daily vlogged, and unfortunately he passed away at Christmas. And I wasn't feeling so great at Christmas, and I spoke about this a lot on the channel. I wasn't feeling myself at Christmas. Right, Trouble?
Daddy!
What's up?
Tommy's cat did a poo and he trod in it, and Mummy needs your help putting him in it.
I'm coming. Adam the Woo. I'll be right back. So, if life wasn't crazy enough, we've added 2 kittens into the mix. The family absolutely love them, but they're at this moment in time they're only 8 weeks old, so they're pretty hard work. Yeah, so Adam the Woo, so he passed away 22nd of December. Somebody I watched every day for a long time. And when you watch somebody on YouTube or watch somebody every day, it kind of feels like you know them. And he passed away on the 22nd, and then this is kind of how it was all born, ready for January 1st. And I think sometimes I'm going to make a video like this. I'm going to just relax, because I rarely sit down. My mum said to me today, actually, you just never stop. And I don't think you can you? There's that much to do, especially in springtime. It's all going off, right? So yeah, and that's kind of how the daily vlogging was born, sort of thing. And we've had some really sort of sad news over the last 2 weeks. Unfortunately, my wife's granddad passed away, and he was a lovely man, a lovely, lovely man, and it's hit the family really, really hard, and it's hit me quite hard as well, to be fair. And we're all sort of navigating that a little bit as well. And I've just tried to stay busy through it all, and family keep you busy enough anyway. Then I do YouTube, which I love, and that certainly keeps me out of trouble. So yeah, we've got like a few bits and bobs happening like that, really, and gardening is definitely my escape from it all. It's my escape from my 9 to 5 job. You know, when I get in my garden, I don't really think about much other than being in my garden or what job needs doing next. And I think this year, this is why the garden's really starting to take off, because I'm really listening to my garden a little bit more and attending to its needs a little bit more than I have. On up and coming vlogs, you're going to see me working my front garden, which is a cottage style garden. I've got some beautiful plants going on at the moment. My roses are in beautiful bloom. I've got lupins, delphiniums, hollyhocks, all what I've planted in there as well. So, and then in about 2 weeks, my dahlias aren't quite big enough yet, but in about 2 weeks we'll be planting up the main dahlia bed as well. So it's all to play for. But I just wanted to come on here and have a bit of a chat, more so than work in the garden tonight. I wanted to enjoy the space, enjoy what I've created, but share it with you, share my thoughts, and hopefully some of you guys can relate with some things that I'm saying. You know, the garden is certainly the sanctuary, isn't it, for a lot of things happening in life. And the nicer my garden becomes, sort of my clearer my head does, if that makes sense. I still jump up and do jobs, you know, every 2 minutes if I ever do sit down, which is very, very rarely in the garden. If I do sit down, I'll jump up, I'll see a job, I'll do a job, or I'll think, I'll just do this or just do that. And this year I'm going to try and make a point of sitting down and enjoying it, because we are only in May and we've got a full season ahead of growing, and I'm really excited about it. Really excited about my garden. I've got a brand new bed just to the right hand side of me, that's weeded, ready to go, brand new plants ready to go. So that's going to be coming up. Beautiful hibiscus that my wife purchased for me today, early present for Father's Day. That's going to be going in with the bananas. So in the banana bed, should I say. So I'm really excited. I'm very proud of where the garden is at the moment, and it's and I hope you guys are too with your garden, no matter where you are, whether you're just starting and you've got 1 or 2 plants, or you're a few years in like me, 3rd season, and I hope you're reaping the rewards of your hard work. And I hope some of the things that I bang on about every vlog is helping you guys grow your garden and sort of grow your mental health a bit as well. Because let me tell you, YouTube, I know how this sounds, but YouTube really give me something to focus on, because I've got a beautiful family and a great job. But I don't know, something was rumbling, and I didn't know it was rumbling. And at Christmas when I decided to daily vlog, I had 3,000 subscribers, and now I'm on over 12,000 subscribers, and I cannot believe it. I hope may it continue, but I hope it's doing you guys as good as it's done me, because I can't thank you enough. And I mentioned in a vlog a while ago that I feel like you're changing my life, you guys watching every day, and you are. Like, that sounds far-fetched. I think that's what it sounds like, but It is, trust me, guys. It's changing my life. It's changing the opportunities that I have in life, and I can't thank you enough for being here. And I'm sorry tonight's vlog isn't the normal vlog that it normally is, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm very grateful for every one of you guys. I'm very happy with where we're at with everything, and garden, mental health, YouTube, family, and I just want to take the opportunity to say thanks and just calm down, because I say to you guys, enjoy your garden, make sure you make time to sit down and enjoy it, whether that be, you know, a cheeky glass of wine or a cup of tea, whatever that looks like for you, just do it. And I never sit here and do it myself, so it's been nice, even though I'm looking around the garden as I'm talking to you guys thinking, I need to do that. I'll need to do that tomorrow. I might just do that before I go in tonight. But I'm not going to. I'm going to sit here and enjoy it for 5 minutes more before I go in. Before these really lovely lights come on over this £80 summer house that I keep banging on about. But yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's a real change of pace. Let me know if it is something you want to see a little bit more often. I'm not talking like every week, but maybe from time to time we might just grab the camera and we'll have a chat where we're up to, and where the garden's up to, and where I'm up to. And I'd also like to know where you're up to. How are you doing? Are you doing okay? Because it's alright if you're not. It's alright if you're not, kid, because we're all been there, we're all there now. And just remember you're loved, and yeah, I'm gonna end that there. Just remember you're loved, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. The normal shenanigans will resume, and until tomorrow, I will see you in the garden. You take care, guys.